Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 5i and let me share with you how to reset system settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll to find additional settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on backup and reset option, and here we have to enter reset to factory settings. As you can see, on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for to reset system settings only, so let's tap on it. If you've got a pattern or pin, then enter to confirm the whole step. And now let's tap on reset system settings only if you are ready. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because this option will obviously reset system settings only, so let's tap on it again and let's wait. And actually, as you can see, this is it. This is how to reset system settings in your Realme 5i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.